Welcome to another video on my driving robot Discovery met a fischertechnik based on the TXT controller running embedded Linux, equipped with two touch sensors, sonar and a camera, as well as a motor with propeller. Currently running hopefully enough charged battery pack, and as you can see on the Android tablet, I have a live visual on these two objects. Now lately on my walking robot, which has the same model of controller, I can run Python, but apparently I can't run both Python and this camera at the same time. So let's have a check on that. And I also have to enable SSH, because each time for some reason SSH is disabled, and I have to really enable it by hand. So let's try again and find out how things work out. Right, so here I have two terminals for the default firmware to log into and the camera, but connection still refused. So here we go, settings, and I have to go security and then SSH daemon. Now it's set, and I try again. Verification failed once again. That means that I have to go into the hidden SSH directory, edit the known host file, where I have to edit out this one. Now it will go. Yes, and password, and I'm in. Yes, I have, or should have, yeah, Discovery Python is there. So now the point is, will it run or not? Most likely it will not run. So and why will it probably not run? Because the camera is activated, not because the tablet is connected to the controller, to the TXT controller, but because the camera is connected. Yes. Oh, that is a very different one. True, I have to edit that out. Oh, and no, I want you to stay active. So, first of all, I have to disable here. See, this one and this one as well. Because apparently Python 3 running on the TXT has neither OpenCV nor NumPy. So, oh, and that means also that I have to disable each instance of camera. Oh, which I already did disable as far as I can see. Yeah, camera action and another camera action should pop up. Disabled. Yeah, okay. So that is correct. Now let's do it again. I would be very surprised if it started running. Very surprised. Okay, it doesn't do a thing. Now I will here stop camera. There's nothing, the camera is not running anymore. See whatever happens. And there you go. So that is the point. The algorithm will not run with the camera enabled, with the camera active. But, important point, since I have to disable OpenCV, the algorithm which I wrote for the community firmware version will not run with the camera. So, since that was my initial idea, I can scratch it. Oops. Alright, so with this controller, and then I do mean the controller on this robot, I can safely use Robot Pro, and safely is a wrong word because I can use it. For some reason, I still don't understand why, on the other controller that is on my walking robot, we have two. If you've seen those videos, then you know I have a big problem starting it, both in the default and in the community firmware now. And now is since the upgrade of the firmware. So here I can see a positive on this sensor. So removing it and touching it, so that is positive. What I can also see here is 8.7 volts. That I can do here, which shows 9 volts. I'm fine with that. Sonar 11 centimeters. I have my doubts on the sonar. Is that 7 centimeters? Where do I have my ruler? I have it somewhere, but and I don't mean this one, although it will perfectly suit. And that gives way more than 11 centimeters. Okay, you can't see that, so let me turn the camera. So this is where the sensor hits, and this is with the camera, and this is, oh yeah, I need the closest distance, of course. So here the ruler, this is the ruler I wanted. So the closest distance is still with a fold of 1 centimeter is 22 centimeters. Make that 20, yeah, 22. So why does it give 11? I'm not quite sure. Okay, let me take the schematics to be absolutely certain, and then I need this one, and sonar. Oh no, kidding, I don't have the sonar included. Oh, that's bad. I really, oh yeah, I do. I8. So, okay, and that is I8. So where does that come from? Oh, by the way, after distance here, same thing, 11 centimeters. So that is rather accurate. Typical, but good. Let's run another test then. Alright, another test then. Robot Pro running and in contact because I have this window active. Can I make contact with the tablet? That is with the app. It doesn't show a thing. It doesn't show an error message, but it doesn't connect either. No, yeah, the socket closed. Okay, so I am closing this one. Starting the camera. Nope, connection refused. Second or third attempt. And there you go. I have connection. So it is either Python or the camera or Robot Pro. Nothing simultaneously. Now, can I run this? Why does it only run backwards? Come on. No. No. Somehow it refuses to go the way I want. No. No. Come on. Yeah. It looks like I can only control one motor. Okay, what I'm going to do is take the iPad and see if I know that is not that's not an option, because the second one is only for the camera. But let's just do it and see whatever happens then. Can I control with two, or can I connect with two? And I think I've already tried that, but let's do it just for the idea. And of course I have to first connect to the TXT. Hopefully it remembers. Yes, it says no internet, but that's alright. Now for cam control, and here we are, and start. You see here the second joystick. Timeout while reading data. Yeah, okay, another attempt. TXT status. Yeah, okay, so now here I will close the connection. Another attempt here. Should work now. And starting. Ooh, that is bad. A flash of the interface. Another attempt. Activate the camera. Okay. Now both joysticks. Yeah, that one true. I forgot about that one, but that one does the lamp in this case. Whereas the lamp attached, the lamp is actually in this case this motor. Whereas this one not again. See, again, there it goes. And that is certainly not my idea of controlling a system. Yeah, no. No. Okay. That is not going the way I intend to have it. Interesting experiment though. So only one thing can connect to the TXT with an active thing. It's not multitasking in that effect. I can connect with multiple SSHs. I didn't try that by the way here, but this is showing that I can both connect to this one and to this one. No problem here. Can I also run the program and have VI open? Most likely, yes. So let's run it. That's impossible because I have the camera on here. Stop the camera. And now it goes. And it hits. Okay. And now I can also connect here. Nothing is activated. This is only 3 centimeters. Okay, with some fantasy that works out. Then this 8.8. Well, okay. But as you can see, it's not really multitasking. Not like that, unfortunately. Right, so with these little experiments on so-called time sharing with the TXT controller, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. Also, you can follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron and may have your name mentioned depending on the pledge you make. More information is under this video. Please see also the website of the URL of my website, and see also some information in the next short frame. Going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.